Welcome to Doc Sees Under Puget Sound. In this upcoming video short, I'm going to be in 370 feet of water looking at an eel that I've never seen before, and if you're a marine biologist and you know what this critter is, would you please email me at TMKey Film@yahoo.com. That's TMKeyFilm@yahoo.com. The red dots on the chart, these are areas that we've been researching for over 35 years. We are looking at places in Puget Sound's deepest depths that no one has ever seen before. And when I brought the camera up to put things away, I got to enjoy a beautiful sunrise over Vashon Island because I was sitting filming that eel right here and watching the sunrise over here. Thank you for watching. Take care. Be safe out on the water, and I'll be with you guys soon. Bye-bye.